Hi guys! Welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. Reancy and Gary here, and in today's video, we were gonna learn how to tell time in Bisaya.
If this is your first time here guys, why not consider subscribing to stay updated with all of our latest videos. If these videos give you any value at all, please put a like on them. We really appreciate it and it helps out the channel a lot. With that being said, let's jump straight in the video right now.
Let's start by going through the numbers on the clock in Bisaya, which are actually Spanish in origin.
This is our clock. Let's start from 1 in the morning. How do we say that in Bisaya?
Alauna sa buntag. Alauna sa buntag. 1 o'clock in the morning.
Alauna sa buntag. So let's take a look at how that phrase is broken down. Ala is
Equivalent to at in English.
una is number 1.
In the morning.
Sa buntag. Okay, let's quickly go through the rest now. 2 o'clock in the morning.
Alas dos sa buntag. 2 o'clock in the morning.
Alas dos sa buntag. 3 o'clock in the morning.
Alas tres sa buntag. 3 o'clock in the morning.
Alas tres sa buntag. 4 o'clock in the morning.
Alas cuatro sa buntag.
Alas cuatro sa buntag. 4 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning.
Alas cinco sa buntag. 5 o'clock in the morning.
Alas cinco sa buntag. 6 o'clock in the morning.
Alas seis sa buntag. 6 o'clock in the morning.
Alas seis sa buntag. 7 o'clock.
Alas siete sa buntag. 7 o'clock in the morning.
Alas siete sa buntag. 8 o'clock.
Alas ocho sa buntag. 8 o'clock in the morning.
Alas ocho sa buntag. 9 o'clock in the morning.
Alas nueve sa buntag. 9 o'clock in the morning.
Alas nueve sa buntag. 10 o'clock in the morning.
Alas diez sa buntag. 10 o'clock in the morning.
Alas diez sa buntag. And the last one for morning is 11 o'clock.
Alas once sa buntag. 11 o'clock in the morning.
Alas once sa buntag. 12 o'clock is noon time, so let's find out how to say that in Bisaya.
Alas doce sa udto. 12 o'clock at noon.
Alas doce sa utto.
Sa udto means noon.
Moving on from there, we'll go through the times in the afternoon. Start with 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alauna sa hapon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alauna sa hapon.
Sa hapon means in the afternoon.
2 o'clock.
Alas dos sa hapon. 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alas dos sa hapon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alas tres sa hapon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alas tres sa hapon. 4 o'clock.
Alas cuatro sa hapon. 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alas cuatro sa hapon. 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alas cinco sa hapon. 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Alas cinco sa hapon. Now let's have a look at times in the evening. So the evening starts from 6 o'clock.
Alas seis sa gabi. 6 o'clock in the evening.
Alas seis sa gabi.
Gabi means evening.
7 o'clock.
Alas siete sa gabi. 7 o'clock in the evening.
Alas siete sa gabi. 8 o'clock.
Alas ocho sa gabi. 8 o'clock in the evening.
Alas ocho sa gabi. 9 o'clock.
Alas 9 sa gabi. 9 o'clock in the evening.
Alas 9 sa gabi. 10 o'clock.
Alas 10 sa gabi. 10 o'clock in the evening.
Alas 10 sa gabi. 11 o'clock.
Alas 11 sa gabi. 11 o'clock in the evening.
Alas 11 sa gabi. 12 midnight in Bisaya is
Alas 12 sa tungang gabi. Tungang gabi means midnight. 12 o'clock at midnight.
alas 12 sa tungang gabi. So that's how to say the hours in Bisaya. Let's learn now some bonus tips on how to say half past.
Media has a Spanish origin as well. It means and a half.
Let's have a look at an example of how that works now. The example is 1:30.
A la 1:30.
A la 1:30 is 1:30.
And you just need to put what time of the day. If it's morning, you say sa buntag.
Or in the afternoon, sa hapon. Another example, 12:30.
Alas 12:30. Alas 12:30. You can say alas 12:30 sa udto if it's noontime, or you can also say alas 12:30 sa tungang gabi if it's in midnight.
Let's learn some conversational phrases now when asking for the time. So our first phrase for you is, what is the time?
Unsay oras?
Unsay oras?
What is the time?
You can be a little bit more specific if you want to say, what is the time now?
Unsang orasa na karon?
What is the time now? Unsang orasa na karon? Karon is the word for now. Orasa is time.
Unsa is from the root word unsa, which means what.
Another common phrase you can say is, what time are we going to meet up? In Bisaya, that is,
Unsang orasa ta magkita? Unsang orasa ta magkita?
what time are we going to meet up? Unsang orasa ta magkita?
Unsang, from the root word unsa, which means what. Orasa comes from the root word oras, which means time. Ta is a short form of kita, which means we. Magkita is to meet up. Unsang oras ta magkita?
What time are we going to meet up? Another phrase for time you can use is, what time are we going?
Unsang oras ta manlakaw? Unsang oras ta manlakaw?
What time are we going? Unsang orasa ta manlakaw?
Unsang comes with the word unsa, which means what. Orasa from oras, which means time. Ta is short for kita, which means we. Manlakaw is going. Unsang oras ta manlakaw?
What time are we going? So that was a quick video on how to tell time in Bisaya. We hope you really liked our videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing to us. It really helps out our channel, and don't forget to put a like on them as well. And as always guys, have a great day.
See you in another video.